Hi, English 122 online students. It's so good to see you during Module 1 of our course. Hey, y'all, I'm here to talk to you about the textbook. I know there are a few issues with the textbook. This is the textbook that was given to me before I left campus in December, and the textbook I've been using to prep the course. And you'll notice it's the 8th edition. I can zoom in here. So the deal is this. I've heard, oh, sorry, I just slammed my book down. The deal is this. I've heard two pieces of news on the textbook. I've been working with several students on getting their textbook. The first thing I heard was an email from the lead English instructor at the college who said, hey, there's a new update to the 8th edition. So the same one I just showed you, and it's only updating the APA, the American Psychological Association documentation stuff in the textbook, which we're not even using, right? We're using MLA. So I said, oh, that shouldn't affect us at all because you're all still buying the 8th edition and we're not going over the APA stuff. So if anybody bought the 8th edition that has just the APA update in it, we shouldn't have a problem. Well, then I contacted my bookstore friend at Boulder County campus. She's actually the manager of the bookstore. And she said that what's happening for online students is you're being sold the 9th edition and campus students are being sold the 8th edition. So it's very possible that you've purchased the 9th edition, but no one at Front Range has given me a copy of the textbook. I've just let the lead online instructor in the English department know about this, and she has just asked our book publisher to get us textbooks. So to solve the problem with this, and for any of you who haven't ordered the textbook or are waiting on a textbook or have been told the 9th edition is on back order because there's a new edition that I don't have. Remember, I have the 8th. Oh, sorry, it's hard to mirror. Wrong way. So anyway, you all, I'm going to post the readings in D2L for modules 1, modules 2, modules 3. And once I have a copy of the 9th edition, I'll try to include page numbers for both editions. I actually don't think there should be any page mismatch. If the only change to the 9th edition was an update to the APA documentation, that would be in a later part of the textbook, and all the earlier chapters should have the same page numbers. But until I have either an outline of the 9th edition from the publisher, which I don't have, or a 9th edition textbook in my hands, I can't be sure what's going on there. So I apologize for the textbook confusion. I'm not the one who makes that decision, and I didn't get all the information I needed to help you all with textbooks. So if you have any other questions or concerns about the textbook, please email and let me know. In the meantime, you can use the documents that I'm uploading. So for Module 1, you'll see, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit so you can see what I've done. I've added a link to a PDF. Oops, so when you click on the link to the PDF, it will show up in the document reader, and you can either print it or read it in the document reader. All right? And the last thing I'll point out to you about this is that page 7, I tell you in the note for the reading. Oh, I think I went too far. Oh, not far enough. On page 7, there's this great, we're almost there. Here we are, page 7. This bulleted list is great for reading critically, but I mention in the D2L note about the reading that these are great things to check out, think about when you're doing rhetorical analysis essays as well. So that was my heads up to you about page 7, and this is the bulleted list. I think there's like 7 or 8 points there, so check those out too. All right, long video, but I hope I've cleared up some things. And again, let me know if you have more questions about the textbook. Thank y'all. See you later.